Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Favorite Projects plugin on a Bitnami Stack Redmine that is installed on Windows operating system. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to just go to our site and request the plugin to be downloaded. So you have to go to redmineup.com and then click on plugins and then search for the favorite projects. Right. And then just click on download and request the plugin here. And it will be sent to your email address right away, so immediately. If there is some problem and you do not receive the download link, then please contact our support team here. And our support engineers will send you the plugin there via email. Okay, in our situation we have already downloaded the plugin. Now to proceed further with the installation procedure, please go to your Bitnami Stack folder and then open the Redmine. In my case it is Redmine 5. So you have to double click on the manager windows. And then there is a tab Manage Servers. Here please click Start All, so the database as well as the web server are going to be started. Alright, we see that now everything is running, so we have to just go and double check if everything is fine. So in my case it is the local host because my Redmine is a testing one on my local host installed. Alright, Redmine needs some time to start, so we have to be patient and just click on the refresh. Alright, we see that our Redmine has just started. So we are now going to Administration and then Information. Here we see our current plugins list. At the end of this video, we will have the Favorite Projects plugin installed here. Okay, so let's go and proceed further. Please return back to the folder where you have downloaded the plugin and just extract it first. So this is our plugin. Please copy the folder and then open the Bitnami Redmine again. Here you have to open Apps folder and then Redmine folder, then htdocs folder and then Plugins folder. Here please paste it. Alright, now just go back to the core Redmine folder and double click on the Use Redmine file. Okay, now please change the directory to apps apps Redmine htdocs. Okay, now the first command here that you have to execute is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for the Favorite Projects plugin. So they are now in progress of installing. Okay, so the next command that we have to do is to do the migration. It is done with the command bundle exec rake Redmine plugins Rails and production. So we wait for the migration to start. Alright, the migration has just started. And it is done. Alright, The very last step that we have to finish our installation, and it is a very important step, is to restart everything. So return back to this window and click on Restart All. So we will restart your web server as well as the database. Okay, it is restarting now. Okay, it is now up and running, so let's go back and check if everything is fine. We click on refresh now. Sorry. Okay, as we have said into the beginning of the video, Redmine needs some time to start. So in our case it is a restart, so we have to be patient again and just keep on refreshing. Okay, so we keep on refreshing. Alright, so let's scroll down and we see that our favorite projects plugin is now installed. So we have successfully installed it on Bitnami Stack Redmine on Windows operating system. I hope this video demonstration was good for you and helpful for you. If it does, then please check other videos in the articles of the documentation. So thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.